All right, so my Glossy Box July 2021 has arrived. I paid for the annual. I got a free box for $1.06. Well, it wasn't free, it was $1.06. And then the annual, and it was $18 the first month and then $19 the second. So I don't know what that increase was. So let's see what this little card says here. Beauty treasures, I guess, is the theme. And then inside it could have eyeshadow brushes, these little things here. And then hydrating mist. So let's see what I received. Okay, so this is just a refer a friend. You can get $5 off. So let's get into the products. All right, so let's remove this tissue paper and get a look at the inside of the box. All right, so let's see. I guess I'll pull this out first. This is a volumizing dry shampoo. It is a travel size. It's made by Batista. It retails for $3.99. It's made with a collagen complex, and clean feel formula removes oil, leaving your hair bouncy, beautiful, and volumized. I have several, and it's not something that I use, so let's go on to the next. All right, this looks like Ciate London Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. And that is not on the card. I don't have a price. It's a travel, trial, whatever size, so that'll go in a giveaway. Something I'm definitely not interested in. I'm really disappointed in this box already. This is making the BoxyCharm box that I just complained about look fabulous. All right, so let's pull out the next one, which is a Pure Lease. I'm very familiar with this. I love this sheet mask. Although on here it's listed as $6. I would never pay $6 for one sheet mask, but this is a really nice sheet mask. It contains blue lotus, seaweed, mulberry, and anise fruit to combat dryness, inflammation, irritation, and redness. All right, the next is Verso Eye Cream Extra Nourishing. The full size retails for $60. This is a trial, so I guess it would be priced at around $21 by the size. It says the rich formula nourishes and moisturizes the eye area to ensure a robust skin barrier and healthy hydration level for soft, smooth, and supple skin. Has a hyaluronic acid. Okay, so the next is these Divine Duo Set Elena Badro. The beautiful sea green set includes an angled brush and blending brush. The angled brush can be used for brow liner and eyeshadow, while the blending brush is ideal for creating soft color diffusion or defined blending, and retails for $34. I'd pick them up at the Dollar Tree. I wouldn't pay that for these brushes. Sorry to sound like such a negative Nancy, but it's a bad box. Look, nothing else is in that box. All right, a quick recap. We have these brushes, the eye cream, the Pure Lease mask, the blush, and the dry shampoo. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think this is a fabulous box for the $19 that they charged me this month? Or do you think it's a horrible box or so-so? I probably will use, I know I'll use the Pure Lease mask. I'll hold on to those makeup brushes probably, but I definitely wouldn't buy them for $34. I don't want the blush. The eye cream I'm going to try. Dry shampoo I never use. It's a pretty box. I'll give them that. I mean, I do like their boxes, but I wouldn't want to pay $19 just to have this box as well. So, yeah, let me know in your comments below what you thought about this box this month. Sorry to be so negative. It's just not been a good month for me in boxes other than Ipsy. Ipsy has been fantastic. BoxyCharm wasn't the greatest. This is terrible. They need to change this. It better get better. I am going to just cancel it. All right, so everyone cheer up. I hope everyone has a better day than I am, and I will see you in my next video.